Question third. The length of minute hand clock. Length of minute hand is given to you 14 centimeter. Find the area of swept by minute hand in 5 minutes. Area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. Suppose this is a clock and this is a minute hand. This is a minute hand. Length of minute hand is 14. In 5 minutes में ये कितने डिग्री एंगल बनाएगा 5 मिनट में? We know that in 1 minute minute hand make 6 degree. In 5 minute hand make 5 into 6, that is 30 degree. So area swept by minute hand is area of sector, that is pi r square theta upon 360. Take pi is 22 upon 7 and length जो है वो क्या हो जाएगा, length of minute hand क्या हो जाएगा, radius, that is radius. 14 is the radius. Now what is theta? Theta is 30 degree upon 360. This will cancel out 12. This 2, this 6. Again you will cut 11 and 3. 11 into 14 upon 3. You will get, if you multiplied it, you will get 14 into 11. तो कितना हो जाएगा 154 upon 3 centimeter square. Now question number 4. Question number 4. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeters subtend right angle. This is a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter r 10 centimeter subtend 90 degree at the center. This is given to you. R is equal to 10 centimeter, theta is equal to 90 degree. You have to find minor segment, area of minor segment. Second, you have to find area of major sector, and इसमें आप पाई लेंगे 3.14. Now see here, area of minor sector is this. This is minor segment. This is minor segment. First we find the area of minor segment. Area of minor segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector pi r square theta upon 360 minus area of triangle half r square sin theta. 22 upon 7 into r is 10, theta is 90 upon 360 minus half, r is 10, theta is 90. This will cut 90 into 4. This again you will cut 11, 2, 5. So it is 550 upon 550 upon 7. So if you do minus, इसको काट दीजिए, 50 into sin 90 is 1. So when you cut it, 7 sevens are 49. 550 को डिवाइड कीजिए 7 से, 7 sevens are 49. 14 and 15 में से 9 गया 6, 7 8 जा 56, 56 4. It is approximately 78.5 minus 50. It is 28.5 centimeter square. This is the area of minor segment. Now we have to calculate area of major sector. Now what is major sector? Area of second part. Major sector. This is a circle. This angle is given to you 90, and this is minor sector. This is major sector. See in the figure, this is major sector. So this is 90 and complete angle is 360. So what is the angle of major sector? This theta. 360 minus 90 यानी कि 270 डिग्री. This major sector का एंगल कितना होगा? 90 तो माइनर सेक्टर का एंगल है और मेजर सेक्टर का कितना हुआ? थीटा 270. और रेडियस कितना रहेगा? वही 10. रेडियस कितना रहेगा? 10. आर कितना रहेगा? 10 सेंटीमीटर. सो एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर क्या हो जाएगा? पाई आर स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन 360. Here pi you can take 3.14. R is 10, 10. Theta is 270 अपॉन, इधर थीटा कितना रखा? 270 because major sector अपॉन 360. 0 से 0 कट गया, 9 3 जा 9 4 जा, पॉइंट हटेगा, 100 नीचे आएगा, 100 से 100 कैंसिल आउट. So it becomes I can do it here. It becomes 314 into 3 upon 4. So it is 3 4s are 12, 942 upon 4. If you divide it, you will get 235.5 centimeter square. This is the area of major segment. This is the area of major segment. इसका पूरे का एरिया क्या आया? 235.5 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. और माइनर का आया 28.5 सेंटीमीटर.